Sometimes, life is hard. You may feel sad or lost. It can feel like a big dark cloud is over you. You want to feel happy again, but you don't know how. The good news is, you can. Hope begins with small steps. You do not need to do big things all at once. Small actions can make a big difference. Think about a small seed. It is very tiny. But if you give it a little water and a little sun, it starts to grow. First, a small green sprout comes out. Then, it gets bigger and stronger. Day by day, it grows into a big, beautiful plant. Your hope is like that seed. You just need to give it a little care every day. What is a small step you can take today? Maybe you can go for a short walk. Look at the trees and the sky. Feel the sun on your face. Or maybe you can listen to a happy song. Let the music fill you with good feelings. Another small step is to talk to a friend. A simple hello can change your day. Sharing your feelings with someone you trust can make your heart feel lighter. You can also try to do something you enjoy. Do you like to draw? Get a piece of paper and a pencil. Draw anything you want. Do you like to cook? Try a simple recipe. The smell of good food can make you feel warm and happy inside. These small actions are like little lights. They push away the darkness one by one. Remember to be kind to yourself. It is okay to not be okay. Healing takes time. Do not rush. Celebrate every small step you take. If you walked for 5 minutes today, that is wonderful. If you smiled at a stranger, that is a great success. Each small step is a victory. These little victories build your strength. They build your hope. So, when things feel difficult, remember this. You do not need to climb the whole mountain in one day. Just take one small step, then another, and another. Soon, you will look back and see how far you have come. Hope is a journey, and it always begins with that first, small step. You are strong, and you can do it.